So once you download this template, you should get the zip file. Now just unzip it and you will get this folder over here. Now just open up that and you will find these subfolders inside it. Now all you just need to do, you need to open this effects and the generator folder and copy this proper folder into their specific file path. So for that, open up the help file and open up the installation path over here. And as you can see, there will be two different file paths. So the effects folder content will be pasted in this effects file path, and then the generator folder will be over here. So let me show you. So for that, open up the Finder and go to your application tab and find the FileMaker Pro logo, right click on it and click on the show package content. And once you do that, now you should be able to follow this file path. So contents, plugins, media providers, motion effects, contents, resources, templates. Now over here you will find this effects and the generator. Now if I just go back over here to these folders, now you can just double click on this effects folder over here and just copy this VHS effects folder and open up this effects folder and paste it over here, and then open up the generator folder over here and go back, open up the generator folder over here which you have downloaded, copy this VHS effects folder and paste it over here. So once you do that, it will be installed properly. Now you can open up FCPX. Now here, as you can see, I have already applied a footage. Now just come over here to this effects tab over here, like so. And in here, if you just scroll down, you will find this VHS effects category. Once you select it, you will find all of these 15 different VHS effects, which you can just hover over them to see the preview. Now let's suppose I want to use this VHS effects type 9. So just drag and drop this on top of your footage and it will be applied instantly. Now to edit this, just come over here to this edit effects tab over here, and in this section you will find a bunch of settings. So at first you will find this effect strength. By this you can just combine the strength over here, and then you will find other parameters like this bad film effect, and it has a bunch of sub settings. So you can just play around with it to get some different look over here. There's a bunch of cool effects which you can combine and create your own look over here. And then you will find this bad TV effect. You can increase the wave amount over here, static, like so, the unsharp mask, Gaussian blur, and at the end you will find this glitch overlay. So there will be 5 glitch overlay by default, and most of them will be opacity to 0. So if you just crank it up, you will see it will see something like that. And if you just play back, as you can see, you can go crazy with this. So you can dial it down depending on your need and play around with this. So in the same step, you can drag and drop these 15 presets and to get your desired look. Now in this pack, you will also find this text VHS overlay and the frame. So for that, just come over here to this generator section, and here you will also find this VHS effects, and you will get these frames and the text overlay. Now you can just drag and drop the text overlay on top of your footage, and now you can just select your blade tool. You can just press B on your keyboard for shortcut and just cut it out and delete the rest of the part. Now here is a quick tip. You can also add the VHS effects on top of your title layout so that it can blend with the background. So you can just drag and drop any VHS effects on top of that. As you can see, it looks much more natural. Now same for the frames. You can just drag and drop the frame over here, and again I'm just going to drag and drop the VHS effects. Now as you can see, some of the text is cutting off in the frame. So what you can do, you can just select this title over here and come over here to this generator section, and here you can find this layout position. You can control the layout position over here, something like that. So in this way you can adjust it over here. And in the text overlay you will find some other settings like this time code. You can turn off and on, or you can readjust the time offset. You can change the font, and as well as you can type your own text over here and change the font size, tracking, etc. Whatever text you see on screen, everything is changeable over here, and at the end you will find these color settings. For the frames, if I just select it, you will find this frame color. You can change it over here. So that's it for this pack. You can just drag and drop the desired effects you like and use it depending on your need.